Welcome to our brief guide to financial planning and investment considerations for Americans moving to Sweden. Whether you're planning to retire, work remotely, or just enjoy a new adventure, understanding your new financial landscape is crucial. First, let's talk about brokerage accounts. As an American living in Sweden, you may face limitations with your US-based brokerage accounts. Many US firms have restrictions on providing services to clients residing abroad due to regulatory complexities. It's essential to verify with your brokerage firm whether you can maintain your account while residing in Sweden, and seek advice from an expat specialist financial advisor to explore your options. When it comes to retirement accounts, you have options in both the US and Sweden. You can maintain your US retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, but be aware of required minimum distributions and potential tax implications. Alternatively, Sweden offers its own pension plans, which may be advantageous depending on your long-term plans and tax situation. Investing while living in Sweden brings unique opportunities and challenges. You can invest in US markets, but you should be aware of additional Swedish reporting requirements and potential double taxation. Some US investments aren't available to EU residents, while some non-US investments such as ETFs and mutual funds can trigger US tax liabilities. Having a globally diversified portfolio custodian in the US is a compliant solution for US expats. Consulting a financial advisor familiar with both US and Swedish investment environments is highly recommended. Understanding your tax status is critical. As a US citizen, you must file US taxes even once you live in Sweden. However, if you qualify as a Swedish tax resident, you will also be subject to Swedish taxes on your worldwide income. While the US-Sweden tax treaty aims to prevent double taxation, to do this you'll still need to claim credits and exclusions when you file. Working with both a US and a Swedish tax professional experienced in working with US expats will help ensure you stay compliant with both countries' rules. For banking, you'll need a reliable Swedish bank. Most major banks in Sweden offer services in English and online banking, or there are online options such as Revolut or a Wise multi-currency account. Transferring money internationally can be costly. Services like Wise and specialized currency brokers often provide better exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Regularly transferring money? Consider using a currency broker that allows you to set up recurring transfers with favorable rates. In terms of healthcare, Sweden has good public healthcare, but you may need private insurance to supplement it, especially when you first arrive. Many international health insurance plans cater specifically to expats, providing coverage in both Sweden and the US and repatriation to the US in case of an emergency. Lastly, estate planning. Swedish law doesn't recognize the benefits of trusts, and you may need a will in each country where you have assets. Note also that Swedish succession laws, which differ significantly from US laws, might affect your estate planning. Consulting with an attorney experienced in international estate planning is important to protect your assets and legacy. Moving to Sweden is an exciting journey. With careful financial planning and the right professional advice, you can enjoy all that Sweden has to offer while securing your financial future. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to discuss your situation, schedule a consultation with Euro-American financial advisors today.